All right, moving into undulations, we already have had a lot of experience with undulations starting from the top and rolling down to the bottom. Now we're going to actually introduce the reverse undulation, which is bottom to top. Let's try it. Standing in first position on a slight angle, bend your knees, tuck your pelvis, lift your chest, roll your arms, and back. Good. I want you to start with a weight change of your lower body, your pelvis only. Push the weight forward on your toes, pull the weight back on your heels. As you push forward, you release your belly muscles. As you pull back, you contract in. Push and back. One more time. So the first thing I want you to see is that there's a weight change going on. One more time. Push and pull back. So now the weight is more on the heels. I want you to contract deep in the lower abdomen coming in. It's very similar to that pelvic isolation that we've done before. So I want you to contract deep into the pelvis, lower abdomen muscles, slide the weight forward, release the belly, pull the weight back with no contraction. One contraction, push forward, release, pull back. So you contract. In, push, and arch. Again. In, push forward, release. So the weight is going forward. In, push forward, release. Let's smooth it out. Contract and push. Contract and push. Good. And 1 and 2. Make it smaller. Use those abdomen muscles. Contract and push. Contract and push. Think about your pelvis reaching and pulling in. Contracting and pulling in. Good. Contract and push. Excellent. Like you're reaching for something. Good. One more time. And release. Excellent. So this is the lower body reverse undulation. Let's take this movement and travel all the way up to the rib cage. Knees are bent. I want you to imagine that you're standing behind or next to a wall. You're going to contract your abdomen in, your lower back flat against the wall. You're going to push up into the upper abs, all the way up into the chest, and you're going to release. Let's try that again. So imagine you're rolling your spine up a wall. Contract, contract, push up, bend the knees. Let's do it again. Contract, contract, push up, push up. Now, if you have a wall at home, stand very close to it and practice this flow, okay, from the lower abs to the upper body. Let's try it one more time. Give me reverse, 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 and release. Now, I have a little combination here. Standing with the legs straight now. Regular undulation, top to bottom. Give me 2 ohms, 2 circles, any direction. Contract, push up, rib cage lifted, lock, lock. Let's try that again. So, lift and roll, hold it here. Circle and circle, hold it. You're contracted again. Now you push up and up, drop, drop. Let's try it a little faster. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Contract, roll up, lock, lock. Again, top to bottom, circle, circle. Bottom to top, drop. One more time. It's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember with the music, when it gets faster, the movements get smaller. One more time, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I call that the crazy undulations combination. Practice this. Remember that you can practice on a wall, rolling not only down, but also up. So use a wall for balance and to massage your spine and support your spine while you get this movement going. Very good. That completes our undulations.